नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रों, हा माझा सेकंड व्हिडिओ असणार आहे SSC Maths 2 Question Paper 2B. Now question number 2B. Solve any two of the following. In the adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC. This is PQ perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. PQ is equals to 4. This PQ is 4. AD is equals to 6. Write down the following ratios. Now first, area of the triangle PQB upon area of triangle ADB. Now see this, area of triangle PQB, area of triangle ADB. Now what's happening for these two triangles? These two triangles have the different base and the different height also. Now we'll see that for these two triangles, that is, angle B is common. This is one thing. And second thing is that both of them have the 90-degree angle. Means that is a triangle PQB is similar to triangle ADB. And therefore, the ratio of their areas is equals to the squares of their corresponding ratios of the corresponding sides. Means what? Area of the triangle PQB upon area of triangle ADB is equals to PQ square upon AD square. Means what? 4 square upon 6 square. In this way. Now see this answer. Angle B is common. Angle PQB is congruent to angle ADB, which right angle. Therefore, triangle PQB is similar to triangle ADB. It is. Therefore, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle ADB is equals to PQ square upon AD square, 4 square upon 6 square. That is 16 upon 36, 4 upon 9. What about the next? That is area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. PBC, ABC. Now for these two triangles, base is same. Therefore, their ratios of their areas depends on their respective heights. That is PQ and AD. See the answer. Area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equals to PQ upon AD. That is equals to 4 upon 6, and that is a 2 upon 3. Now next question. Diagonal of a square is 20 centimeter. Find the length and the perimeter of the square. Diagonal is given. Now there is one more formula, that is a diagonal is equals to root 2 into side. By using that formula, that is a D is equals to root 2 into side. Then we can find out that is a side, and by using that we will have the length of that square and also the perimeter. But also we can find out by using the Pythagoras. Diagonal of a square is equals to 20 centimeter. Let the side of square is equals to x, and that's why x square plus x square is equals to 20. Means you have this square, each side is x, 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 and x. We join this. This is the hypotenuse. What about the hypotenuse? That is the root 2 into side. We can find out directly. But we have applied here Pythagoras. That is x square plus x square is equals to 20 square. And therefore 2x square is equals to 400. Therefore x square is equals to 200. Therefore x is equals to, take the square root on both sides. Now this can be, that is therefore x is equals to in root of 200. Now this 200 can be written as 2 into 100. Therefore the square root of 100. Square root of 100 is 10. The root 2. This is the side of the square. What about the perimeter? The perimeter is equals to 4 into side. That is 4 into 10, 40 root 2. And the answer is side of the square is 10 root 2 centimeter. Perimeter of square is equals to 40 root 2 centimeter. Now next question. In figure, point Q is the point of the contact. This is the tangent and this is the secant. By using the tangent secant theorem, PQ square is equals to PR into PS. And by using this property, we can find out the length of the PS. This is again very simple question. In figure, PQ is equals to 12, PR is equals to 8. Therefore, PQ square is equals to PR into PS. विद्यार्थी मित्रों, याचा थेरम पण आहे हा आणि हा परीक्षेला देखील विचारला जाऊ शकतो. That is a PQ square. It's got 12 square, 8 into PS. Therefore, 144 into 8. Therefore, PS is equals to 144 upon 8. And simple division. Therefore, PS is equals to 18. Question number 3a. Carry out any two activities of the following. In the following figure, O is the center of the circle. This is the center. Angle AOB is equals to 110. Measure of arc AC is equals to 45. वेगवेगळे दिले विद्यार्थी मित्रों. अँगल AOB दिलाय आणि आर्क विचारला गेलेला आहे. इथे आर्क दिले गेलेला आहे, अँगल विचारला गेलेला आहे. यूज द इन्फॉर्मेशन अँड fill the box with the proper numbers. Measure of arc AXB. Now we have given the measure of angle AOB. This is the central angle whose measure is 110 degrees. Therefore, the measure of arc is also same. For the measure of central angle and the measure of the angle both are the same. And the measure of arc AC is 45. Therefore, this is the 45 degree. Now, measure of arc AXB. Measure of arc AXB is 110. Measure of arc CAB. Measure of arc CAB. Now this is CAB. Sum of these two. That is equals to 110 plus 45. That is 145, 155. Next, measure of angle COB. Measure of angle COB. Again, sum of these two angles, that is equals to 155. Now what's happening? The last is different one. Measure of arc AYB. AYB means what? 360 minus 110. And the answer is 250. 360 minus 110, 250. In this way, the activity 1 we have completed. Now next, in figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Segment AB is the diameter. Angle ADC is equals to 120. Complete the following activity. Find the measure of angle BAC. Find the measure of angle BAC. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. What's happening? The sum of the opposite angles is equals to the 180. That is the ABC plus ABC is equals to 180. Means what? The measure of this angle B and the measure of this is equals to 180. Therefore, measure of angle, that is a 120 plus measure of angle ABC is equals to, and the measure of angle ABC is equals to 180 minus 120, and that is equals to 60 degree. This is the first. What about the next? That is a measure of angle ACB. Now this is the diameter. Has a diameter असेल, then the measure of angle, this is the 90 degree in a semicircle. Now here we will write that is equals to. But next, in triangle ABC, that is the measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle ACB plus measure of angle ABC is equals to 180. And now substitute the values. Therefore, in triangle ABC, angle BAC plus angle ACB plus angle ABC is equals to 180. See this? This is the angle which is, that is a BAC. Next, ACB. ACB, that is a 90. And angle ABC. ABC, that is a 60 degree. We have calculated here. Now substitute the values. 90 plus 60 that is equals to 150 degree. Therefore, what is the measure of angle BAC? That is equals to BAC is equals to 180 minus 150, and measure of angle BAC is 30 degree. Now you can write the answer in this manner. Now this is the activity, the form of the graph. Complete the table below with the help of the following graph. Now see this scale 1 centimeter on both axes. The points are plotted on the line. Now see, first point C. What about the point C? C is the point. Next, second point E and their coordinates. Then he find out the slope. The difference of y coordinate upon the difference of x coordinate, y2 minus y1. That is a 4 minus 0. x2 minus x1. The 3 minus 1. What is happening? That is a 4 upon 2, which is equals to 2. The 4 upon 2, and that is equals to 2. What about the next? In the next, the difference of y coordinate means what? Minus 2 minus in bracket minus 4 upon 0 minus in bracket minus 1. And what is happening? Minus 2 minus minus become plus 4 upon 1, and that is equals to 2 upon 1, which is again 2. Now here is again 2 upon 1, that is equals to 2. Next, the last point, that is a y2 minus y1 means what? These 2 minus in bracket minus 2 upon 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, and that is equals to, just minus minus become plus. This is a 2 plus 2 upon 2, and that is 4 upon 2, which is again 2. That is a 4 upon 2. It means that if you see this, the slopes are equal, and hence the points are collinear. You can write in this way. For any 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 on a line, that is y2 minus y1 and x2 minus is always constant, like this. The next question. Question number 3b. Solve any 2 of the following. Tan theta is equals to 3 by 4. Then find the value of sec theta. Now here we'll apply identity. What are 3 identities? The first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Now we'll apply here the second identity, the 1 plus. Other than identity, we can also find out the value of the sec theta by using the triangle also. Means what? It is a like this, or the triangle. And next is measure of angle. This is the theta. Suppose this is the measure of angle. The triangle ABC. Opposite side is 3. Adjacent is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. What is the sec theta? Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cos means what? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent side, is 5 by 4. In this way. Now answer, that is if the tan theta is equals to 3 by 4, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta, 1 plus 3 by 4 bracket square is equals to sec square theta, 1 plus 9 upon 16. Now 16 into 1, that is a 16 plus 9, 25 upon 16 sec square theta, but therefore the sec square theta, take the square root, then you will get 5 by 4. In this way, we have completed this video.